I think ketogenic diets at scale are just starting to emerge. We know they can be short-term therapeutic diets that can be extremely powerful. For example, a recent study showed that in type 2 diabetics, in a year of a ketogenic diet, they could completely reverse type 2 diabetes in 60% of the people. This is not something that's done in any way in traditional medicine. Second is they got 100% of people off the main diabetes medication, 94% off insulin or lowered insulin, and the weight loss was 12%, an average of 30 pounds, which is unprecedented in medical weight loss studies. So this is a profoundly powerful intervention. It can be effective in Alzheimer's, it can be effective in brain cancer, it can be effective in autism, in Parkinson's disease. It's a very powerful intervention. So that's where ketogenic diets can be therapeutic in the short term. I think long term we have to still see.